Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about what is paper trading. So we need to go on Google, write the here what is paper trading, press the enter. Here you have some website practice for free. You can also practice for free in IQ option. IQ is the best website for the investor. Go back paper trading and how it works the provides. The paper trading, what is, how it work and provider. Paper trading is a simulated trading that allow investor to practice trading without using real money. Investor who they try their hand at paper trading often use an online stock market simulator that look and feel like a real online brokerage. What is paper trading? The most basic way to practice paper trading is by using a pencil and paper. Investor can choose a stock and watch the market of an attractive entry point. However, simulated trading through an online platform that works like a real brokerage platform provider more tools and enables investor and day trader to test their strategies. Many fee platforms have delayed security pricing, although some offer trading in real time. Paper trading is generally free, although some platforms do charge a description fee. However, there are so many fees platforms available that it might take sense to look for a free one. Portfolio simulators often set a starting balance of $1,000 and $10,000, which might be a larger amount than novice investors have to invest. Paper trading can be a good way to learn how to trade options and many other assets. Trading Frisian exchange, stock bond, and exchange trader fund. It is also allow investor to select different orders type. So paper trading providers. As we online brokerage, paper trading platform come in a wide array of features, research tool and interface. Most online platform mimic the trading platform from the brokerage that offers them. So it makes sense for investor to select a paper trading platform brokerage they want to use. Here are some common paper trading provider. HD Emirates platform with paper money, TradeStation, E-Trade, E-Option paper trade, Interactive Broker, TWS paper trade, Webbull. So first is the TradeStation and E-Trade Interactive Broker TWS paper trade. We can also search on here. What is this? Financial Advisor London. Go back. Okay, what is paper trading pros and cons? The biggest benefit of paper trading is the fact that it does not involve any risk, but the benefits are not limited to that. Paper trading also involves certain issues that investors should also be aware of. Pros of paper trading. Aside from not risking any money, Paper trading does not involve emotional stress like real trading does. Investor can learn how to trade and learn about different order types before they start to trade for real. Bottom line, paper trading is a great way to learn how to trade and test new strategies, but important to understand limitation. Many brokers have paper trading platform as a part of their services, but investor would have to sign up the brokerage account to gain access it. So paper trade definition. If you don't know what is the definition of paper trade, I clearly define this. A paper trade is a simulated trade that allow an investor to practice buying and selling without risking real money. The term dates back to a time when the proliferation of online trading platform aspiration trade on the paper before risking before the risking hypothetical trading position, portfolio, and profit or loss. Today, most practice trading involve the use of an electronic stock market simulator, which look and feel like actual trading platform. Paper trade account versus live account. Paper trade may provide a false sense of security and often result in destroy investment. In other words, with the real market happen because paper trading does not involve the risk of real genuine capital. Also, paper trading allows basic investment strategies such as buying low and selling high, which are more challenging to adhere in real life but are relatively easy to achieve while paper trading. The fact is that investor and trader are likely to exhibit different emotion and judgment when risking real money, which may lead to them different behavior when operating. To trade, who enter a long position. What is the long position? Click on long position. Here you can see the what is long position. The long term position describe what an investor has purchased when they buy a security directly with the expectation will rise in value. Key takeaway. A long or long position refer to purchase an asset with the expectation it will increase a value. Bullish attitude. A long position in option contract indicates the holder owns the underlying asset. A long position is the opposite of short position. In option, being long and refer either to outright option of an asset or being the holder and option of the asset, being long a stock home roster measurement of the time.